Making gluten-free bread at home has never been easier, thanks to specialized bread machines designed for this purpose. The best bread machines for gluten-free bread offer precise settings, ensuring perfect texture and taste every time. Whether you're managing dietary restrictions or exploring healthier options, these machines simplify the baking process effortlessly. Number 1. Cuisinart Bread Maker Machine. The Cuisinart Bread Maker Machine elevates homemade bread to an everyday indulgence with its versatile and compact design. This automatic bread maker offers a variety of crust colors and loaf sizes, allowing users to customize their baking experience. Its pre-programmed menu options accommodate a wide range of recipes, from gluten-free and artisan breads to jams and sauces. Simplifying the process, the machine automatically mixes, kneads, rises, bakes, and keeps the bread warm, ensuring convenience at every step. Beyond bread, it opens possibilities for cakes, pizzas, and other delights, enabling creativity in the kitchen. Health-conscious users can incorporate whole grains, nuts, and dried fruits for nutrient-rich results. A lid with a viewing window and an interior light allow easy monitoring of the baking process. The 13-hour delay start timer offers flexibility for fresh bread anytime. Its LCD display provides clear information on countdown time, current cycle, and selected options. With 12 pre-programmed menus, 3 crust shades, and 3 loaf sizes, this machine delivers excellent results. Compact yet powerful, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen while producing up to 2-pound loaves. The non-stick baking pan and removable paddle make cleaning effortless, while thoughtful alerts guide users through each stage of baking. Number 2. Elite Gourmet Bread Maker Machine. The Elite Gourmet Bread Maker Machine makes fresh artisan bread accessible and effortless. This automatic bread maker handles kneading, rising, and baking, allowing you to enjoy homemade bread without the hassle. Capable of producing up to 2-pound loaves, it offers 3 settings for different loaf sizes, catering to various household needs. With 19 pre-programmed menu options, you can create a wide array of bread types, from basic white bread to pizza dough. The 15-hour delay timer and 60-minute keep warm function provide added control and convenience, ensuring fresh bread on your schedule. By freeing up your oven, this machine reduces kitchen heat and simplifies cleanup, saving time and energy. Health-conscious bakers will appreciate the ability to manage ingredients, eliminating gluten, preservatives, and trans fats for healthier results. The package includes all the essentials, such as a non-stick bread pan, measuring cup, spoon, kneading blade, and a metal hook for easy operation. Compact yet versatile, the Elite Gourmet Bread Maker is a reliable tool for anyone looking to enjoy fresh, customized bread at home. Its user-friendly design and thoughtful features make it an excellent addition to any kitchen. Number 3. KBS Pro Stainless Steel Bread Machine. The KBS Pro Stainless Steel Bread Machine combines innovation and convenience, making it a top choice for homemade bread enthusiasts. With 17 practical programs, this machine excels at creating various baked goods, including gluten-free bread, cakes, yogurt, and even pizza dough. Its quick bake feature produces a loaf in under 1.5 hours, while its 3 loaf sizes and 3 crust settings ensure customization for any preference. The unique non-stick ceramic pan promotes even baking, is chemical-free, and easy to clean, prioritizing health and simplicity. A powerful 710-watt motor provides efficient kneading for soft, elastic dough, with noise levels below 40 decibels for a quiet kitchen experience. The intelligent fruit and nut dispenser releases ingredients at optimal times, while the 15-hour delay timer and 1-hour keep warm function add flexibility. The intuitive digital touch panel simplifies operation, and the sleek stainless steel design is both durable and visually appealing. The machine's 360-degree baking ensures evenly baked, fluffy bread with a perfect crust. The package includes a comprehensive recipe book and practical accessories, such as a ceramic pan, paddles, and measuring tools. With its ETL certification and 2-year after-sales support, the KBS Pro Bread Machine is a reliable companion for culinary creativity. Number 4. Neretva Bread Machine. The Neretva Bread Machine offers exceptional versatility and capacity, making it ideal for families or avid bakers. With a 2.2-pound loaf capacity and 15 automatic programs, it accommodates a variety of recipes including gluten-free bread, whole wheat loaves, cakes, and even yogurt. The 3 crust color options, light, medium, and dark, allow you to customize your bread's texture and appearance. Upgraded dual heaters and 360-degree surround baking ensure even cooking for fluffy, perfectly baked bread. The 600-watt motor operates quietly, minimizing disruption in your home while delivering efficient results. A detachable fruit and nut dispenser adds ingredients at the optimal time, while the 15-hour delay timer and 1-hour keep warm function ensure fresh bread whenever you need it. The non-stick ceramic bread pan is free from chemicals, easy to clean, and designed for hassle-free baking. A viewing window on the lid allows you to monitor the process easily. The comprehensive package includes a measuring cup, spoon, kneading paddle, heat-resistant glove, and user manual, providing everything needed for a seamless baking experience. The Neretva bread machine's thoughtful features and reliable performance make it an excellent choice for anyone seeking delicious homemade bread. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Bread Maker Machine. The Hamilton Beach Bread Maker Machine makes creating fresh, homemade bread an effortless task. With its simple 3-step process, you can add ingredients, select a cycle, and press, start to enjoy delicious results. This versatile bread maker features 12 cycles, allowing you to bake various bread types including gluten-free, whole grain, and sweet loaves, as well as prepare dough for pizza and dinner rolls. The machine supports 3 loaf sizes, 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, and 2 pounds, and offers 3 crust settings for light, medium, or dark crusts. An audible beep alerts you when it's time to add extras like nuts or seeds, ensuring perfectly mixed dough. The digital display and countdown timer make it easy to monitor progress and plan your baking schedule. The delay start feature lets you prepare ingredients in advance, while the automatic keep warm function maintains bread warmth for up to an hour. Cleanup is simple with the dishwasher-safe accessories, including a removable non-stick bread pan, kneading paddle, measuring cup, and spoon. Compact and user-friendly, the Hamilton Beach Bread Maker is a reliable kitchen companion for fresh, homemade bread tailored to your preferences. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.